Hello, my name is Josh Birchie, and I'm the owner of AGR Performance Steering. Today, I'm presenting our 2007 to 2017 Jeep JK Direct Fit Reservoir. The factory Reservoir is ugly and very restrictive with its plastic molded screen. You can discard this old Reservoir by removing the single bolt with a 10mm socket and removing the two hoses and clamps with a pair of pliers. As the Direct Fit name implies, installation is easy. Reattach the two hoses and clamps with a pair of pliers and reattach the single bolt securely. I assure you, you won't find an easier installation or better performing reservoir for your Jeep JK. Our Direct Fit reservoir installation is so simple, professional installers and do-it-yourselfers alike will be impressed. Our reservoir features a full aluminum and TIG welded design, vented caps with a choice of red, clear, or blue anodized finish, fully machined double baffles, proper size AN fittings, and a magnetic drain plug. Be sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos on installations, tech tips, troubleshooting, and steering facts, and find us on social media.